How to put location on Snap. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can put location on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to put location on Snapchat, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Open up Snapchat. Now if you're talking about on your particular snap, when you record a snap, after you record it, now you want to add a location, right? So what do you do in that case? So on the right hand side you can see different sort of options. One of the options, there is a little sticker icon you can see right here. So when you tap on that sticker icon, you can see search. Now right here, just select location. Now if you don't find it, just use the search bar here and type in location option over here. Now once you find that, you can see this little location option where you'll be able to go ahead and then select a particular location of your choice. Now another thing that you can do is, if you're talking about Snap Map, so you can go to the Snap Map icon here instead, and then you will be able to share your location with your friends once you enable location on your device. So this way you should be able to put location on Snap. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.